Jay&ess in the building, yo, what's up?
Yeah,
What?
that's what's up, y'all.
Real hip hop.
Yeah, let's take it back to the basics.
Way back.
Back to the...
Spit it, brother.
Back in action without stopping. Jay&ess is about to get it poppin'.
So we rhymed in the blocks to win the hearts when they droppin'.
You better be nodding your head to this, you really got no option.
So flip it at 5 phone the whole night, yeah.
Showing it down like that, becoming equipped to show you what has happened lately.
Cause maybe I fake beat to show you that it's crazy.
That them other groups really ain't supplying what is needed.
While we breathe with it, sleep with it, always keep the heat in it.
Stepping it up a notch because we're far from intermediate. Stepping it up,
Yo, there ain't no need for us repeating it.
No,
I know, so get it back in action, bro.
We've been absent for so long that they got used to whack flows.
So here we go again, 2 true MCs to the bone, my friend.
Only when we're open to lose, we'll know we'll always win. But it all depends.
So let us go up in this kind of flow and show all damn how we do this thing.
Born in the 80s, raised in the 90s.
We listen to the rugged, that rough shit that drives me.
Never liked school, then but placed it all behind me. I thought I knew it all until the day I turned 19.
Yeah, all those years passed me by very quickly.
But I learned to stop wasting time if it tempts me.
That's why we come back to flip the track in a hurry, cause y'all needed to see when we were busy.
Improving the style, now are we telling people truth or lies? Jay&ess the next thing, it's up for you to decide.
So for the first time in the long ride, go ride, Jay&ess is back to get it and we go all out.
Cause we're microphone snatchers, you know what we're after.
Rhyming on stage together with beats that blast ya.
The inglorious bastards of this rap shit, back with
that classic old school magic on that track, skip.
Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again. Hey yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again.
Now are you ready for this? Cause now we're about to go. Don't flip it at 5 funk the whole fucking night, yo. We're bringing it so real, you'll be asking what's the deal with these whack ass MCs? Cause now you're finally feel how we could be, should be, now would be done if we just let it show you now it's all going wrong. Just start looking around you, start booking the right group. Just to the fucking cap, yeah, that's so what they just might do. So let us bring us back to that old school rap where that go-getters bullshit is fucking up the track. We're snapping by the neck, cause we don't get down like that. We already killed them all by the very first hi-hat. Them old school drum rolls and new school mofos don't get along in a song, so don't try it, yo. You better diggity 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 drop the mic and start to diggity 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 dig the crates right. I educate your minds to prepare for a fight. Just getting out of that mic and make easy eyes. You gotta go and make a better show. Stop talking about the dough, start to work on a better flow. But I don't know if y'all ready for this, cause everybody needs to grow physically or mentally. You got to be prepared for this, bro. Preparations are in progress, it's time to set our goal. Yes, Jay&ess, we're bringing that raw shit.
Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again. Hey yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it.
Old school is coming back again.
Hey yo, I don't know if you noticed, but the rhythm me drop is focused, all containing like a lotus. When I'm spitting a biggity bogus, who's the dopest? You better start acting like you know it, cause the biggity biggity rack shit that you bring it, we gon' smoke it. Ferocious, diggity drop a flow that's so contagious, it will stick throughout the ages. And we kicking it with the majors, not the minors. Flippers of pages that contain the rhymes that will blow your mind.
It's Jiggity Jay&ess in the prime.
We taking the moment to shine, we never be getting enough of that shit.
We on that old school boom bap funky reminisce.
Aight, make some noise to reckon the buff and correct. Taking the blunt to the head lyrically, we're summing it up on the set. So why don't you bump this? We nothing but punk kids having a blunt lit, making a jump fit, dropping some funk shit. Riggedy rock the mic like we were both supposed to do. But it's only the chosen few that's bringing it old school.
And
And
you
you know who's looking to take it back even more. Sam and Rick at the bar,
Jiggity job.
back at the source, the fundamentals. We always stay in touch with our roots. We never give up the fight. We stay in the ring and do what we should do. Represent that hip hop that made us wanna go do it. Real music, I wanna bet you don't know nothing about this movement that we into while we grooving. Kicking the flavor you adore, taking it back to 94
while we raising the bar.
Ayo, back
to the basics.
yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again. Hey yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it, old school is coming back again. Back to the year, to the old school. We're taking you back to the year, to the old school. We're taking you back to the year, to the old school.
Yeah, Jay&ess is about to make you back to the
Yeah, to the old school.